This is a short video of where we got some inspiration from when we were making Stephen. The film in the top left is a short called The Black Hole. It's very similar to Stephen in terms of like morals, in that it's a piece that shows that stealing's wrong, which is one point that we wanted to really highlight in Stephen, and that greed sort of can take over people. In The Black Hole it's the employee, but we've swapped it round so then it's the gang member that's the greedy one rather than the employee. Its location is also in an office, so it's similar to Stephen in that respect. The film on the bottom left is a 3-minute tracking shot in a supermarket that I managed to find on YouTube. Basically that allowed us to see just how you can make a smooth, what could be just a simple shot of just someone walking, that bit more interesting to keep the viewer watching the piece. So we used that twice in the team meeting scene. The video in the top right is an excerpt from the film Office Space, and the bit which I've managed to clip down is where they're actually putting a virus onto their computers at work. So we took inspiration for all of the shots where like they're taking the floppy disk out and that sort of stuff, for when Stephen's using the memory stick to steal from the workplace. The final video in the bottom right is a film which we found on YouTube, made by students similar to what A2 students or AS students, and basically they do a mock gang fight, mock shootout. So we took the idea of the gang members just being in normal clothing from that piece, so then it just feels like the gang members aren't the stereotypical big mafia people. They're just anybody, but anybody could be part of a gang.